In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create countdown timer in Canva. Whether you're running a live presentation, timing a break, or building anticipation for an event slide, a countdown adds structure and energy. I'll walk you through Canva's built-in timer for presentations, and then show you how to add a countdown video element directly to your design. First, open your design in Canva and click the Present button to start your presentation. Once you're in the editor with your presentation ready, look toward the bottom corner of the screen for the timer icon that looks like a small clock. You can click that icon to open the timer, or use a quick shortcut by pressing a number key between 1 and 9 on your keyboard to set a duration instantly. If you want a specific length, choose or type the exact minutes and seconds you need. When you're ready, click the play button to start the countdown. This is great for signaling the start of a session, timing a quick activity, or keeping yourself on track between slides. If you need a bit more time while it's running, you can add time using the +1 minute option so you don't have to stop and reconfigure the timer. To enhance the vibe, use the music icon to add subtle background sounds. Canva includes preset options like focus and lo-fi that work well under a countdown. Keep it light so your audience stays attentive to your content, not just the music. Now, if you want a visible countdown directly on a slide or a page, add a countdown video element. In the Canva editor, go to the left sidebar and click Elements. In the search bar, type Countdown Timer or Timer. You'll see a mix of styles, from simple digits to animated designs. Choose a free option or a pro one if it's available to your account. Free items won't have a crown icon. Drag your chosen timer onto your page so it becomes part of your design. With the timer selected, use the toolbar to adjust its duration to match exactly what you need. This lets you align the length of the graphic countdown with the timing of your activity, intro, or break. Place it where it's clearly visible, and make sure it complements your layout so the rest of your content remains easy to read. That's it. Thanks for watching.